Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful pencil sketch of a Muslim girl wearing hijab, while listening to a heartwarming Islamic story about the importance of hijab in Islam. Let's get started. Story. Hijab is my choice, the pearl in the shell. A story about hijab. Mara was a bright, curious Muslim girl who loved learning about her faith. One evening, she saw her mother folding colorful hijabs. The soft fabric shone in the light, and Mara's curiosity sparked. "Mother, why do Muslim women wear the hijab? Is it only about covering our hair?" "My dear Myra, the hijab is more than just cloth. Allah commands us in the Quran to dress modestly. The hijab protects dignity, strengthens faith, and reminds us to live with respect. It is like a shield of honor." "My dear Myra, the hijab is more than just cloth. Allah commands us in the Quran to dress modestly. The hijab protects dignity, strengthens faith, and reminds us to live with respect. It is like a shield of honor." Mara thought deeply about her mother's words. That night she went to sleep imagining the hijab as a shining shield around her. The next day, Mara walked with her mother along the beach. The sun reflected off the gentle waves. Suddenly, she spotted a small seashell. Carefully, she picked it up and opened it. Inside was a beautiful, shiny pearl. "Mother, why does the pearl stay hidden in the shell? Wouldn't it be prettier outside?" Mother smiled, smiling. "The shell protects the pearl, Mara. Without it, the pearl would lose its shine. The hijab is like this shell. It protects a girl's beauty and keeps her pure." Mara looked at the pearl and smiled. She realized that wearing the hijab was not just a rule. It was a form of protection, honor, and love for her faith. The next morning, Mara put on her hijab carefully. She walked into school with her head held high. Some classmates noticed and asked, "Why are you wearing this scarf?" "My hijab is my crown and my shell. It reminds me that I am Muslim. It protects me like the shell protects the pearl, and it helps me stay close to Allah." The teacher praised Myra's courage, and her classmates admired her confidence. From that day on, Mara wore her hijab with love, not just duty. She felt proud of her faith, respected by others, and close to Allah. The hijab is both a crown of honor and a shell of protection. It preserves modesty, gives dignity and respect, and shines as a symbol of faith in Islam. Wearing the hijab reminds us to live with faith, honor, and closeness to Allah. So remember, dear friends, the hijab is not just a piece of cloth. It is a choice, a shield, and a beautiful part of your identity as a Muslim. Moral of the story: the hijab is both a crown of honor and a shell of protection, for it preserves modesty, gives dignity, respect, and shines as a symbol of faith in Islam and show faith in Allah. The hijab is important in Islam because it protects modesty, honors identity, and reminds us to live with faith and dignity. If you enjoyed this video story and drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which part of Mara's story you liked the most, and stay tuned for more moral stories and fun drawing tutorials. Thank you for watching.